Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the water filter access cover in this KitchenAid refrigerator, you will need a 1/4-inch nut driver and a small flathead screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Open the water filter cover and remove the water filter. Use the 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the 2 screws securing the upper cover panel. Detach the panel and disconnect the LED light wire harness to fully remove the panel. You can now use the small flathead screwdriver to help detach the old water filter access cover. To install the new access cover, insert it through the top of the panel, align the hinge posts with the brackets, and snap the cover into place. Reinstall the upper cover panel by first reconnecting the LED light wire harness. Align the 3 rear upper cover panel tabs with the housing brackets and snap the panel into position. Rethread the 2 screws to secure. Reinsert the water filter into the housing and close the cover. Plug the appliance's power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.